Hello, and this time I'm gonna make currywurst. It's a German specialty all over Germany. Currywurst always goes, they say. And in German, Currywurst geht immer. It's very simple and very quick and delicious. Okay? Okay, first a little bit of olive oil in the frying pan. That's it, comes the onions. Onions are very important. And in Germany, when you get a currywurst, they usually cut it in small pieces and then put the ketchup on, and that's okay too. I do it a different way. I'm gonna fill it up with onions and ketchup and curry. While the onions brown, I put the currywurst in, the bockwurst. And then you can see that the bockwurst, I cut the skin a bit on both sides. Then you put it in. Don't cut it too much, because I have to cut it lengthwise too. You brown the onions, not too much. So, see, because now the onions are brown. See, look. Yeah. See, this is what I mean now. This is now brown. Yeah, okay. So now I take the onions out. Here. Okay, so I might need a little bit more olive oil so it browns a bit faster, but that's okay. Heinz currywurst. You know, my wife is Japanese, but she loves it, you know. When she hears currywurst, yeah, she always is happy. Quite ready, so I take it out. When it's brown enough, then I cut in the middle through with a sharp knife, of course. And open it up gently. Yep, and then put it back. And then I put the onions on, which I prepared before, and fill it up with onions. Well, as much as you like. I always like a lot. And it's so. Yeah. So, okay. And then you take the ketchup, because nothing goes without ketchup. Also as much as you like. And of course, because it's currywurst, okay, curry powder. So, okay, and then, excuse me, okay. And actually it's finished. So, and you take the baby and put it on. And then you take a piece of bread, and of course, that goes with the beer. Ta-da, finished. Okay, Prost. Yeah, Kampai. Currywurst. It's delicious. Prost. And beer is important. Okay? I'll see you next time. Goodbye.